Think you know everything about birds? Think again. Let's talk about the incredible albatross. These birds are the masters of dynamic soaring, using wind gradients to glide for hours or days without flapping. With wingspans up to 11 feet, they hold the record for largest wingspan of any bird, allowing them to travel thousands of miles. And get this, they can sleep while gliding using micro-sleeps. They burn almost no energy on long flights, barely more than when they rest. Thanks to GPS tracking, we've discovered they can journey up to 10,000 miles, often without landing for weeks. Talk about impressive. Albatrosses truly are the ultimate gliders of the sky.